take it to the top. Live up my life till the music stops.
Cause I got dreams to make it, dreams to make it. Trying to get closer than yesterday to these dreams to make it, dreams to make it. No matter what anybody else may say, dreams to make it. And I finna make them happen, ain't talking about money stacking. See, I'd rather make a classic and be broke, no joke. Cause see, money comes and money goes, so music's everlasting. So forever I'll be rapping and fulfilling my true passion in timely fashion. Imagine just how cracking it would be to really live your dream as you see when you sleep. But in life, ain't that what we strive for? Ain't that what we ride for, die for? And if not, then why the hell not? We only got one life, so stop living in the box and I'm climbing to the top. That's my destination, no rest or vacations until I make it. Just grinding hard and patience, full speed, no breaking. Planning, anticipating for situations of greatness. Cause if life is what you make it, then I'm making it big. And you can tell how bad I want it from the way that I spit.
I just want to take it to the top. Live up my life till the music stops.
Cause I got dreams to make it, dreams to make it. Trying to get closer than yesterday to these dreams to make it, dreams to make it. No matter what anybody else may say, dreams. Since I figured out this dream was all possible, I've been grinding and overcoming every obstacle. Somebody get these damn haters out my way, and I'm turning all these doubters to believers day to day. I suggest you do the same, don't let anybody stop you. Just keep on and keep pushing like you got to. They were always saying that I had no chance to make it, but I turned my shit around and put it right back in their faces. I'm just young and dedicated with my vision in the making, trying to lead my whole team with steeds like Gary Payton. Cause see, the sky is the limit and I feel like fucking flying. And I'm trying to get the call from Kanye to make music in Hawaii, or get that co-sign from Hov and rock sold out shows all across the globe. See, they used to say keep dreaming when they didn't believe us, but fuck that, keep dreaming and grind hard to achieve them.
I just want to take it to the top. Live up my life till the music stops.
Cause I got dreams to make it, dreams to make it. Trying to get closer than yesterday